Welcome to Webstyle Press. I asked ChatGPT to write a poem about React.js that teaches all basic concepts of using React.js. And it did. It goes like this. In the realm of JavaScript, a library arose, a tool named React to build components composed. Let us weave the tale of this wondrous creation and explore its core concepts in this elation. Begin with components, the heart of React's tale, functional or class-based, they shall not fail. Reusability and modularity, the key to its fame, import, export, and compose. They play the game. Next, the JSX syntax, a blend so unique, HTML and JavaScript in harmony they speak. Elements and tags, their roles well defined, in the render method, together they bind. State management essential plays a part. To maintain data is skillful art. Hooks like useState, the state they maintain, keep components in sync, the data they sustain. Props, short for properties, components share. Parent to child, they pass data with care. A one-way data flow, the rule they abide. A principle so strong, immutability implied. Lifecycle methods, a component's journey, mount, update, and unmount a trinity. From birth to end, these methods embrace hooks like use effect, control with grace. Events and handlers, the interactions engage. From user inputs to actions on stage, with on-click and on-change, the components react, a dynamic experience the users attract. In the end, a virtual DOM, performance enhanced, updates diffed and batched, the speed entranced. No direct manipulations, the DOM left unstirred. React the conductor, a symphony well orchestrated. With this poem, the basics of React unveiled, a journey through concepts together we sailed. Now venture forth, create wonders untold, embrace the power of React, and let your stories unfold. Very interesting. The poem told us that React.js is a library. We can build components in it, and component is the heart of React.js. Components can be functional or class-based. Components can be reusable and are modular in nature. Components can be exported, imported, and composed. React.js uses JSX syntax to write HTML in JavaScript. It mentioned state management in React.js that plays a major role to maintain data. It mentioned use state hook for maintaining state across components. It mentioned props that are like properties that components share from parent to child components. It mentioned one-way data flow. It mentioned immutability. It mentioned lifecycle methods, components mounting, updating, and unmounting. It mentioned use effect hook. Events and handlers were mentioned, on-click and on-change were mentioned, and components reacting to those events is mentioned. Then virtual DOM is mentioned, and then it tells us to tell your story in React.js by doing something using it. Overall amazing and very educational and interesting at the same time. I find poem feature in ChatGPT very interesting. If you find a topic boring, try asking ChatGPT about it and tell it to write a poem about it. You might find it very interesting and educational at the same time. Okay, I hope this was interesting. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.